Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating power and connection issues. Check batteries and the keyboard's power switch, then plug into a different USB port or swap the cable. If wireless, confirm Bluetooth is paired and has charge. If wired, try a spare cable or another computer to see if the keyboard itself fails. On a laptop, press the function key that toggles the keyboard, often labeled with a keyboard icon, because hardware toggles can silently disable input. Once done, move to drivers and system settings. Now focus on software. Open Device Manager and scan for warnings or disabled keyboard entries. Right-click the keyboard, choose Uninstall, and reboot so the OS reinstalls the default driver. Alternatively, download the latest driver from the manufacturer. Then check settings for language and keyboard layout mismatches, and disable filter keys or sticky keys if active because they can block input. Finally, reboot into BIOS/UEFI to confirm the keyboard responds at firmware level. If it works there, the problem is within the OS, not hardware. Finish with advanced troubleshooting. Run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupt files, and consider System Restore to a date when the keyboard worked. Boot into safe mode or use a clean boot to find a conflicting app. If you still see no input, test with a Linux Live USB to separate OS issues from hardware faults. If hardware remains likely, power down and reset internal connectors, clean mechanical switches, or replace the keyboard. If nothing helps, call support. One tip: try a cheap spare to confirm failure quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.